Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Gaile, and whether it's about dermatology or sharing a piece of my personal world, I'm here to bring authenticity and knowledge straight to you. We're shaking things up a little bit with a fast talk segment. No explanations, just spontaneous answers. Let's see how my fellow skin experts handle the heat of rapid fire choices. Hi everyone! So, I caught these beautiful ladies taking a rest. Meron tayong segment na gagawin. It's called Fast Talk. You're familiar naman with Fast Talk, di ba? I'm going to mention 2 or 3 things and then sabay-sabay kayo magbibigay na answers nyo. No explanations ha, no justifications. Warm up, warm up. Okay. Breakfast or lunch? Go.
Breakfast.
Okay, magkakaibigan talaga kayo. Okay.
Breakfast food, not necessarily.
No explanation. Hindi nakapagpigil si Doc Iris. Sige. Game. Coffee or tea? Go.
Coffee! Liar.
Now we can proceed to dermatological fast talk. Okay. AHA or BHA? Go.
DHA.
Chemical peel or laser? Go.
Chemical peel.
Vitamin C or niacinamide? Go.
Vitamin C.
Ay, united sila doon. Mineral or chemical sunscreen? Go.
Mineral.
With fragrance or fragrance-free? Go.
Fragrance-free.
Ay, mga dermatologist. Yes or no? Oral sunscreen? Go.
Yes.
Toner? Go.
Yes.
Ay, hindi sumagot si Doc Chi.
No,
Ano?
No, na ako. Yeah.
Okay. Retinol or tretinoin? Go.
Retinol.
Toner or essence? Go.
Essence.
Bakit? Ay, hindi. Bawal ko lang mag-explain. Okay. Last. Physical or chemical exfoliant? Go.
Chemical.
Chemical. Okay. Ang galing. So, yung gagawin natin, guys, ngayon is fast talk. Okay. Ayan. So, no explanations, ha? Pero mag-warm up muna tayo, guys. Okay. White chocolate, dark chocolate. Go.
Dark chocolate.
White chocolate.
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Game.
Breakfast.
Lunch.
Okay, o sige. Ready na sila. Ready na sila sa derm version. Okay. First question. AHA or BHA? Go.
DHA.
Vitamin C or niacinamide? Go.
Niacinamide.
Ay, magkaibigan ba talaga kayo? Parang hindi. Physical exfoliant or chemical?
Chemical.
Oy, nagkasundo na sila. Retinol or tretinoin?
Retinol.
Toner or essence?
Essence.
Hindi talaga kayo friends.
After nito,
Oo.
hindi na kami
Oo,
friends.
hindi na kayo friends.
Kasi friendship.
Mineral chemical sunscreen.
Chemical.
sunscreen.
Parang tagal niyo mag-isip.
Wala pa kaming coffee.
Hindi, actually kasi a lot of the sunscreens nowadays kasi are
Hybrid.
Yes,
Yeah.
hybrid na. So,
medyo nag-lag ka.
okay, last. Oral sunscreen, yes or no?
Yes.
Parang tagal yung muntong
Pero kailangan naka-topical.
O, diba, sabi ko sa inyo yung napipigilan ng mag-explain.
Ay, no explanation. Sorry.
We are very fortunate to have here with us a good friend of mine and colleague, Dr. Aileen Wiham. So yung first segment natin is Fast Talk.
Okay.
So alam mo naman
Tito
yun.
Boy ang peg
Oo,
mo.
yes. O,
Okay.
di ba? Alam talaga nila yung Fast Talk na yun.
Tito
So,
Boy ang peg.
Dr. Aileen, retinol or tretinoin?
Tretinoin.
AHA or BHA?
DHA.
Yes or no? Oral sunscreen?
Yes.
PRP?
Used to be yes.
Mineral sunscreen or chemical sunscreen?
Mineral.
Yes or no? Exosomes?
Yes.
Micellar water or cleansing balm?
Micellar.
RF or ultrasound?
Ultrasound.
And last, vitamin C or niacinamide?
Niacinamide.
Ayan. O, di ba? Minsan, pinag-iisipan namin, you know, the reason why Dr. Aileen is thinking about it is because, like I said, hindi naman nga siya parang all or none eh. It's very, very hard for us kasi parang ano yung context, walang ganon. But thank you for being so game. So I found another colleague and friend, Dr. Kat Abat. Familiar ka naman sa Fast Talk, Dr. Kat? No?
May idea.
Okay. No explanations, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Chemical peel or laser?
Chemical peel.
Mineral sunscreen, chemical sunscreen?
Mineral.
Ay, bilis. Bilis na magot. With fragrance or fragrance-free?
Fragrance-free.
PRP or exosomes?
Exosomes.
Toner, yes or no?
Yes. Medicated.
Ay, mag-explain. Sabi ko sa'yo, mapipigilan ng mga derma mag-explain eh. Oral sunscreen, yes or no?
Yes.
Radio frequency or ultrasound?
Ultrasound.
Last, toner or essence?
Toner.
Okay, very good. Ang bilis. Ayan, so it pays pala guys to just wait here instead of me looking for beautiful derms to interview. Pag andito pala ako nakatambay, dumadaan lang sila sa harap ko. And derms like to travel in groups. Travel talaga eh. To shop in groups. So you're familiar with Fast Talk, right?
Yes.
We're gonna do a derm version 1.
Okay.
Okay. No explanations, just say whatever comes to mind. Okay? HA, BHA, go.
HA.
Tretinoin or retinol, go.
Tretinoin.
Okay, para sila. Toner or essence, go.
Essence.
Lahat talaga sila essence. Pag mga young, yun talaga. Pag mga young, essence. Physical or chemical sunscreen, go.
Physical.
Yes or no? Oral sunscreen.
Yes.
Ampules.
Yes. No.
PRP or exosomes, go.
Exosomes.
With paraben or paraben-free, go.
Doesn't matter.
Hindi kasama sa options yun, ah.
Paraben is a non-contact allergy.
O, tingnan mo, sabi ko no explanation, pero hindi talaga napigilan mag-explain. So, tingnan mo naman kung sinong nahuli ko. Nahuli talaga, di ba? So, Dr. Mike, the first part of the segment is fast talk.
Yeah, sige.
Kabulokag fast talk.
Yeah.
No right or wrong answers, only
Okay.
honest ones. AHA or BHA?
BHA.
Tretinoin or retinol?
Tretinoin.
Chemical or physical exfoliant?
Chemical.
Laser or chemical peel?
Laser.
PRP or exosomes?
Exosomes.
Ang bilis. Toner or essence?
Toner.
Okay. Yes or no? Oral sunscreens.
Yes.
Fragrance.
No.
Parabens.
Yes.
Vitamin C or niacinamide.
Vitamin C.
Serums or ampules.
Serums.
Ayan, okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Mike. Ang hirap, no, guys? Alam mo, it's really hard for us to answer na walang explanation. Kasi, like I said, context matters. And syempre, pag nagtatanong kami about stuff like that, iniisip niya, teka lang, ano yung pasyente? Kanino ko ibibigay? Di ba? Ganun yun.
Correct.
Alam mo ba yung fast talk?
Fast talk ni Boy Abunda.
Familiar
of
siya.
course.
Sige. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is fast talk dermatology version, ha? Tapos, no explanations. Ano
Okay.
naman? There are no right or wrong answers, only honest ones. Okay.
Okay.
HA or BHA?
HA.
Tretinoin or retinol?
Tretinoin.
Okay. Yes or no? Oral sunscreen?
Yes.
Toner?
Yes.
Serum?
Yes.
Ay, lahat yes. Physical or chemical exfoliant?
Both?
Hindi pwede, isa lang.
Isa lang.
No explanation.
Okay. Chemical.
Physical or chemical sunscreen?
Chemical.
Fragrance-free or with fragrance?
Fragrance-free.
Chemical peel or laser?
Laser.
Ayun, okay. Very good. Parang
Okay.
with confidence sumagot si Doc Liz. Hi guys. May nahuli na naman ako ng napakamagagandang dermatologist here. It really pays to stay in this area kasi lahat ng mga dumadaan nakikita ko. So, for our first segment, Doc, it will be fast talk. You're familiar with that, Doc? I will mention 2 or 3 words and then sabay-sabay, pag sabi akong go, sasabihin niyo yung preference niyo. No explanations, ha? No right or wrong answers, just their personal preference. AHA or BHA, go.
BHA.
Ayan, kasi actually it's really hard kasi both of them are good naman. Retinol or tretinoin, go.
Tretinoin.
Vitamin C or niacinamide, go.
Niacinamide.
Yes or no, Doc? Oral sunscreen, go.
Yes ako, yes. No.
Okay. Toners, yes or no, go.
Yes.
Ampules versus serums, go.
Serums.
Physical or chemical sunscreen, go.
Physical.
Fragrance-free or with fragrance, go.
Fragrance-free.
Physical or chemical exfoliant, go.
Chemical exfoliant.
Actually, both ako. Ay, chemical.
Pero not so much ako sa physical kasi it's hard.
See, guys, it's really hard na wala explanation. Micellar cleanser or cleansing balm, go.
Micellar cleanser.
Ayan. So, very good. Thank you, Doc, for participating. Doc, alam mo ba yung fast talk?
Fast talk.
Boy Abunda ba?
Yeah, ang galing talaga. So, ganun, Doc. Now we go to everything and anything dermatology related. So again, Doc, no explanations, no wrong answers. AHA or BHA?
AHA.
Tretinoin or retinol?
Tretinoin.
Vitamin C or niacinamide?
Vitamin C.
Yes or no? Oral sunscreens?
Yes.
Exosomes?
Yes.
Serums?
Yes.
Okay. Toner or essence?
I love the essence.
Essence. May essence. Young si Doc, millennial, or Gen Z. Kasi yung mga Gen Z mas may essence sila kaysa sa toner Physical or chemical sunscreen?
Physical.
Chemical peel or lasers?
Lasers.
RF or ultrasound?
Both, I love it. But I'll stick with ultrasound.
Okay. Kasi mahirap talaga guys. Kasi like I said, it's really, when we ask dermatologists, naisip kasi namin, ano yung context, like ano yung pinag-uusapan natin, bakit ito yung pipiliin. But thank you, Doc. Ang galing-galing. Ang bilis. Di na nag-iisip masyado si Doc. Talagang automatic. Ayan, alam ko yung mga nasa TikTok sa inyo matutuwa na naging guest katong tatlong magagandang dermatologists here. So yung segment natin, very simple lang. We're going to do fast talk. Okay. So, familiar naman kayo with fast talk, di ba?
Yes. Sige.
So, no right or wrong answers, whatever comes to mind, no explanations. Okay. AHA or BHA? Go.
AHA. Sorry.
Tretinoin or retinol? Go.
Tretinoin.
Vitamin C or niacinamide? Go.
Niacinamide. 4%. Ganda yun.
Physical or chemical sunscreen? Go.
Physical.
Oh, yes or no to ha? Oral sunscreen? Go.
Yes.
Kasi totoo, kaya pareho yung sagot.
Collagen supplements? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Toner versus serum? Go.
Toner.
Essence versus ampule? Go.
Ampule.
Ampule na rin.
Ampule na lang din.
United sila, united. Chemical exfoliant versus physical exfoliant? Go.
Chemical exfoliant.
Yes or no? Lasers? Yes or no?
Yes.
Love lasers.
Gabi, very united sila
Galing,
sa mga
ah.
sagot
Hindi
nila.
yan scripted.
Okay, hindi yan scripted.
Great minds
Guys,
think alike.
hindi talaga sila nag-practice ha. As in, sobrang ambush talaga to because I wanted to get like a genuine response from all of them. Nakabangga ako isa sa mga sought-after procedural dermatologist, Dr. Cyril Adam. So, familiar ka sa fast talk, di ba? So, di ka na?
Yes.
Fillers or toxins?
Fillers.
Lasers or chemical peel?
Not a lot of it, but siguro chemical peel.
Okay. Niacinamide or vitamin C?
Vitamin C.
Tretinoin or retinol?
39.
AHA or BHA?
Ang hirap naman. AHA.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Oral sunscreens?
Ay, okay.
Yes or no? Oral sunscreen?
Yes, but in combination.
Do you see my explanation?
Sorry.
Parabens, yes or no?
No.
Fragrance, yes or no?
No.
Chemical or physical sunscreen?
I think both. Pwede bang both?
Hindi.
Physical.
Hindi, pero actually guys, a lot of the sunscreens
Yeah.
ngayon hybrid na
Has
kasi
to
siya.
be,
So,
yeah.
tama naman yung sinabi.
Like me, I use physical, chemical, and oral.
O lahat.
Lahat na
Kaya
pwede, no?
ganun
Because
din
of
talaga.
pigmentation.
Yes, and aging also. So yun, thank you very much Dr. Cyril for,
Thank you so
for
much.
taking
Thank you.
time and indulging in our I am here with my colleagues. So, Doc, yung first segment natin is Fast Talk. Familiar ka naman, Doc, sa Fast Talk, di ba? Hindi ka familiar? Okay, so I will mention 2 or 3 words and then when I say go, sasabihin nyo yung preference nyo.
Okay.
So, sige, let's practice muna. Non-dermatology muna. Night or day? Go.
Night.
Day.
Sasabay ka!
Ay, hindi ko alam na gano'n. Kailangan pala.
Sorry. Sige, game. White chocolate or dark chocolate? Go.
Dark chocolate.
Ayan, so nakuha na nila yung game. So we're now going to move on to dermatology-related choices. Okay. No explanations, ha? Okay. Tretinoin or retinol? Go.
Retinol.
Okay. AHA or BHA? Go.
BHA.
BHA.
It depends.
The skin tag.
Kasi iniisip namin for what indication.
Depende sa
Medyo makapal ka pa ng mukha mo, BHA yan. Pag sensitive ka, AHA yan. So your question is not valid.
It's so hard.
Fast talk. Sige.
Pero alam mo, mahirap talaga eh. Kasi as dermatologists, when you're given 2 options, iniisip mo ano bang indications, ano bang
Yes.
Kung sensitive ba yung skin?
Pero,
Yes.
okay, ito.
like that.
Oral sunscreens, go.
Yes.
Exosomes, go.
Yes.
Chemical peel, go.
Yes.
Ampules, go.
Yes.
Yes. Anong dami kasing ampule? Hindi ko naman alam. Diba?
Whatever
Anong
it is, it penetrates deeper.
Okay. Physical or chemical sunscreen, go.
Physical.
sense.
Akala ko ba bawal both?
Bawal ba? Again.
Hindi, pero tama si Doc Tess kasi karamihan ng mga sunscreens ngayon actually hybrid na siya.
Totoo
Yes,
naman.
and kaya nga, hybrid sunscreens.
More effective.
Yes, with newer technology.
Tama.
Oo, di ba?
Okay, last na lang, Doc. Toner or serum? Go.
Serum.
Ayan, okay. Doc, familiar ka ba dun sa fast talk?
Yeah.
Okay. Familiar si Doc sa fast talk. So, yung gagawin natin is fast talk pero dermatology version.
Alright.
No explanations, no
Okay.
correct or right answer, kung ano yung maisip mo lang. Tretinoin or retinol?
Retinol.
Physical or chemical sunscreen?
Physical.
Vitamin C or niacinamide?
Niacinamide.
AHA or BHA?
BHA.
Okay, ang galing. Bilis nito pa talaga. Yes or no? Oral sunscreen?
Yes.
Exosomes?
Yes.
Ampules?
Yes.
Chemical peel?
Yes.
Lasers?
Yes. Definitely.
Ang galing talaga ni Doc. Grabe, ang bilis. RF or ultrasound?
Ultrasound.
Serum or toner?
Serum.
Ang galing ni Doc. Ayan. So yung first segment natin is yung tinatawag natin na fast talk.
Oh.
Oh, alam mo yan, Tito Boy.
Alam na alam.
Ayan. So alam naman nila how it is. So we'll do the dermatology version na ngayon. Okay. Again, no right or wrong answers, okay? AHA or BHA, go.
AHA.
Tretinoin or retinol, go.
Retinol.
Vitamin C or niacinamide, go.
Vitamin C.
Ay, magkakaibigan talaga sila. Pare-pares ng gusto. Okay. Yes or no? Oral sunscreen, go.
Yes.
Exosomes, go.
Yes.
PRP, go.
Yes.
Yes.
O, parang hesitation. Okay. Chemical or physical sunscreens, go.
Chemical. Chemical.
Okay. Chemical peel or lasers, go.
Lasers.
Parang hina. Chemical. Okay. Serum or essence, go.
Serum.
Yes or no? Ampules, go.
Yes.
Yes.
Question mark, yes.
Fragrance, yes or no?
Yes. I love fragrance.
Ako din. Yes, ako dyan. Okay. Parabens, yes or no?
No.
Lactic acid or PHA, go.
PHA. Sige, PHA.
Sali na rin naka-PHA.
Bag raid.
Bag raid. Okay.
Bola, si Kelly linagay ang bola.
Ako magbubuhat para
10
sa'yo.
kilo po ang bag. Pakita natin ang laman ng bag mo. Okay.
Baka biglang may mahilo mamaya.